Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide files in Windows 11 without use of any software. Windows 11 has great features and this is an inbuilt feature which will let you allow to hide your files. If you're looking for the steps, just follow my guide. Open your system and your PC. Now just select the file which you want to hide. For example, I want to hide my playlist. Okay, so just right click on it. Now go to properties. Now you will see the general section. Now go to attributes and tap on hidden option. Press on OK. Again OK. OK. As now you can see my file, the folder is disappeared. To see back your the hidden folder, you have to press the keys. Just press Windows plus E. Will open File Explorer. Now you for viewing your hidden files, you have to uh, tap on View. You can see in the upper left option. Tap on View. Now tap on the hidden files. So basically, this will get back all your hidden files. Now get back to your folder. Now you can see my playlist folder is now visible. So guys, this was the easiest way to hide your files in your desktop. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.